Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problems of concept, and we are discussing a proportion concept question. Now let's look at this question. Now this question says, at a supermarket the prices of lollipops and candies are shown below. So let me just quickly just write down here. Now I have lollipops, I have candies. Okay, now lollipop is 5 for $4, candies is 8 for $5. Now, the question here says that if Govin uses 2/5 of his allowance to buy only lollipops or candies. Now, wait for a moment and let's read again. To buy only lollipops or candies, he will be able to buy 90 more candies than lollipops. Now, you need to understand one thing. If the question here says what? If going to buy only lollipops or candies, means that no matter it's buy lollipops or candies, it will give him, it will only use up 2/5 of his allowance. Means that the price that he used to buy something is the same. You get what I mean? Because they say buy only lollipops or candies, and it's all using 2/5 of his allowance. All means that either one. Means that the price here that we have are expected to be the same. Okay, this is a trick for this question. Means that now we need to find the LCM for 4 and 5, and there will be actually 20. So we times 5 here, we times 4 here. The same thing, we need to times 5 here, we times 4 here. So it will be 25 give you $20, sorry, and 32 give you $20. So this is actually slightly different from what we expect, because usually we always make the numbers to become the same, because the question always says about the equal number of something something. But this they say is what? Lollipops or candies, means that they're expecting the amount is the same. Now, what they say is that he will be able actually to buy 98 more candies than lollipops. Means that in that case, either one, actually candies should have 98 more than lollipops. Let's see how many actually does it really have more than that. So 32 minus 25, there is actually only 7. Okay, but here is 98, right? Means that again, we need to use 98 to divide by 7 to know that it's actually 14 times of it. So now, here says that how many cans will Govin be able to buy with 2/5 of his allowance, means the same thing. So I know that it's actually 14 times of the candies, right? So it's A is 32 times 14. So it will be actually equal to 448 candies. Okay, that is the answer for A. And now for B, how much is Govin's allowance? Now, again, we know that it's 40 times of the price here, 20. Means that 2/5 of the allowance is actually giving him 14 times 20, which is equal to $280. And now they are asking for the Govin's allowance, means that 100, means that 5/5. So 5/5 of it, it will be 280 divided by 2 times 5. So if you simplify, it will actually equal to $700. And we are done with the whole question here. Now, this question, again, it is special because the question is expecting us to make the price to become the same instead of a number. And the way it actually bring out to tell you that, hey, please make the price become the same, is slightly different from the question usually will tell you. We use the same amount of money. Oh, but this one they use what? They buy only lollipops or candies. Means that it actually is a very very not obvious method to tell you that, oh, it's the same. Okay, that's actually why I say this question is slightly special. Okay, so please really take note of this question. They will help you in solving the other question. Thank you, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.